Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest scripts for my Blox Fruits absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software, guys. You can do it with your Android, your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys, and then click on browse all scripts and click on Blox Fruits. It's the first one. It will load up, guys, and then we will have to enter our account user ID. So how to find your user ID, just click here how to find if you don't know, or let me quickly show you guys. So go to your Google and or your browser, anything you want, and go to roblox.com and go to your profile. So guys, you must be on your URL, on your browser, and just make sure to copy your whole profile link. So just copy your link. Why? Because in your profile link there is your user ID. When you copy your whole user profile URL, let's get back to our tool. Just make sure to click on this button and it will automatically paste only your user ID from that link. So just click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile and you should get this message: user found, your name and your avatar. There we go, guys. And now we will have to get any executor in order to use our scripts and to import them. So guys, if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, make sure to select the last option. It's this. I already have a different executor. And guys, if you have no executor, don't worry, because we will import it now. So just select no as it is on default and just click select this, guys, and boom, we will get now option for selecting additional scripts to install. So guys, you will have a huge list. You also have Redz hub for Blox Forge. You can also import it. I will import Overflow, Forge Hub, Nitius and Soluna. So these 4 scripts, you can Google those scripts, guys, what they have, like which options, which features. I selected this and just make sure to click continue. So API will start connecting, guys, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. So look at this, guys. API is connected successfully. Our 4 scripts selected are ready and our activation key is there as well, but we have it beeped, as you can see. So guys, now we will have to click on this I'm not a robot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get. We should get verified, right? So nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Look at this, guys, user ID and key is connected, but now it's fully unrevealed. Nice. So now we will open our Roblox and we will test, is it actually working? So let's search for Blox Fruits. Let's go. There it is. Click play, guys, and let's see. Now we should get Delta executor along 4 scripts selected from Blox Forge. So let's see, and we will test it, of course. So let me click there and boom, guys, look at this. We got our Delta executor and let's see 4 scripts. Nice, guys. Overflow, Forge Hub, Nitius and Soluna, just as we selected. So nice, guys. Now we will have to test, is it actually working? So I will open, for example, Nitius. Click on your script that you have imported and let's wait a little bit, guys. So script should load up. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Now we can click on farm. Look at this, guys. It's automatically farming. I'm so excited because it actually worked. Look at this, guys. It's crazy. It's automatically farming and giving our XP and gold and everything, guys. I'm so excited, as I said, that it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, bloxforge.com was the only working website. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.